this is my September OK beauty box. This edit is called Refresh and Recharge. Let's have a little look at the goodies in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we have this is the September OK beauty box. Let's rip this bad boy open. Okay, so I've just noticed this wasn't actually sealed in any way at all. That's kind of concerning. I hope everything is okay in the box. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this, it is £15 per month. I think, well, I've got a code down below in the information box, and I think it gets your first box for £4.95. I don't know if it's still valid. It's something I found on their website that anybody can use. But yeah, try it out, you never know. If you can get your box cheaper, why not? And every 3 months apparently you get like a magazine or something with this. But yeah, this is inside the box. On here it just says this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £60, all tried and tested and loved by our beauty editors. I know on the website the monetary value is different, so check that out for yourself. But yeah, here is inside. We have like an advertisement thing for the magazine that they do. We have the edit card with all the products in the box, and there is a sneak peek. Please let all the products be there, fingers crossed. But yeah, let's get straight on to unboxing it. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But this edit is called Recharge and Refresh. The first item we will start off with is this. So this is by the brand Chemist, and this is a Youth Series Green Caviar Eye Serum. It is full size and is worth £24.90. It just says the eye area is where the first signs of aging typically appear, and adding a hydrating eye cream onto your skincare routine can make a real difference. This has a silky gel-like texture that also makes a great base for makeup. Okay, that sounds really cool. So my box is a little bit bashed. Yeah, it is. I'm loving that colour. It's really nice and unusual. So like it says, it's a full size, and there's 15 mils in here. It is not sealed. Okay, let's have a little play. So there it is there. Okay, yeah, definite gel-like. So I'm just spreading it out there, as you can see. Let's... Ooh. It has a barely there smell, but it's very pleasant, and you can see it's quite glowy too. Ooh, I love an eye serum and eye creams and so on. Although I must say, a face cream you can use under your eyes, and you can use an eye cream all over your face. It's generally the cheaper option to use the face stuff under the eye. Normally under the eye stuff they do charge more, which is very bizarre indeed. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. The second item we have is this. I love this brand. So this is by the brand Rituals, and it is the Ritual of Sakura foaming shower gel. This is a travel size, and it's worth £5.50. It just says, give your body a real treat with this luxurious shower gel. It turns into a rich foam texture upon contact with water. It features a delicate cherry blossom, if I could say it properly, cherry blossom scent that will turn your morning shower into a spa-like experience. Yeah, I've had this before and I've absolutely loved it. So really happy to get another one. Yeah, I love Rituals, and I love their shower stuff in particular, so awesome. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Figs in Rouge, and this is Fortifying Anti-Pollution and Blue Light Protection Serum, a full-size product that is worth £42. It just says, you're probably well aware of the negative effects the sun has on the skin, but did you know that blue light from screens and electronic devices can also have potentially aging effects? No need to immediately cancel your Netflix subscription. However, instead apply this lightweight serum each morning to protect your skin. Okay, I've heard a few bits about blue light thing and all of that. I don't really know a lot on it to comment on it, but very, very nice packaging. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to leave it nice and sealed, just to keep it nice and fresh. But I've had a few products from Figs and Rouge and they've been nice. They've been nice. So yeah, we'll have to give that one a little go. So the fourth item we have, ooh, if I can pick it up, is this. So this is by the brand Monoskin and it's a hydrating mask. Again, a full-size product that is worth £25.95. It just says once the temperatures drop, the skin can start feeling a little more dry, and this rich creamy face mask is just the thing to comfort and condition dehydrated or sensitive complexions. So I have tried a few things from this brand, other bits of skincare, and they've been quite good. Very, very nice. I don't think I've had the hydrating mask before, so that's definitely going to be interesting to try out. It just says use twice a week after cleansing and toning. Spread a thin layer onto the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. The mask will not set. Remove with warm water. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely have to give that a go. That will be going in my face mask drawer. I'm gonna have to start up doing my face masks again because neglect is definitely this girl right here. But yeah, cool. The fifth and final item we have is this. So this is by the brand Eyeko, and this is a Cocoa Edit pencil eyeliner in brown, a full-size one that I've just chucked on the floor. And it has a worth of £16. So it just says no makeup bag is complete without a brown eyeliner pencil. Oh, and this is one of them twisty up ones, which is great, with a built-in sharpener and sponge, allowing you to create both precise lines and a smudgy, smoky eye makeup look. Fab. This rich cocoa shade is soft alternative to black and will suit everybody apparently. Okay, yeah, it is. Just looks like a normal pencil. I do like the retractable pencils, really do. Let's see how much product we get in. Okay, so we get that. That's kind of decent. Very, very decent. That is soft and creamy, and that colour is absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely soft because look at that tip now. Yeah, be careful, don't press too hard like I obviously just did there. So there is like the sponge thing. It kind of almost feels like rubber. So yeah, just smudging it out there. Okay, interesting. And then you just take that rubber bit off, and then there is the sharpener bit to make the end all nice and sharp again. Cool. Yeah, that's my doorbell, it's just gone. But yeah, I'll have to give that a go and see how I get on. I don't normally that often wear eyeliners, but I'll definitely have to try it. Right, so this is the September OK Beauty box, and this is the Recharge and Refresh edit. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a lovely little box. I'm really happy to get the Ritual product. I think their shower products are out of this world, so I've had that before. Smells amazing. I cannot wait to use the Skin Chemist eye serum. My eyes are a little bit ugh at the moment, so hopefully a little pick me up is what I'm in need of. The Figs in Rouge, I've had a few products that have been okay. I will have to try that out to see. I don't know about this whole blue light thing. I don't know enough about it in any way to make a comment on it. Always happy to receive a mask. This brand is very good. And yeah, I don't really use eyeliners, but this is a lovely brown shade. We'll have to see how I get on with that one. But overall, really good box, and I do feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the whole point. So this gets a thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.